What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Today's video is all about a topic not many people are talking about. But as I talk about every single topic on this channel to help you the best way possible, we also need to talk about this one. Erectile dysfunction in younger men is rising. Therefore, a lot of younger guys and older men are struggling to get hard or to reach the full length and potential of their little friend down below. But after watching this video, you will exactly know how to cope with this problem. Because in today's video we will talk about 7 scientifically proven foods that will make your manhood bigger. So if you want to learn more about this topic, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before going to start directly with the video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. My mission is to help you with each and every of those videos to become every single day at least 1% better than yesterday. And that is also why I committed myself to upload daily on this channel, so you have all the sources that you need to become your best version possible. So make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop into the video. Alright, let's start with food number 1, spinach. Spinach worked for Popeye and it may help you too. Spinach is actually very rich in folate. And folate is also known as a blood flow booster. Overall, folic acid plays a critical role in the sexual function of a man. And having low blood folic acid levels is linked to an erectile dysfunction. So as you can see, your nutrition actually plays a very important role for your sexual health. And by eating 1 cup of cooked spinach, you can already cover 77% of your daily intake of folic acid, which makes spinach one of the best folate foods around. Additionally to that, spinach also contains a good amount of magnesium, which can help you to increase blood flow and may even help you to increase testosterone levels as well. So implement more spinach into your diet. Let's continue with number 2, coffee. Your morning cup of liquid gold may also benefit your manhood as well. One study with about 3,000 men found out that men who drank about 1 or 3 cups of coffee per day were less likely to have an erectile dysfunction than those with a lower caffeine intake. So drinking coffee on a regular basis can prevent you from getting an erectile dysfunction. Let's continue with number 3, avocados. Avocados are one of my favorite foods because they have so many incredible health benefits. They are rich in vitamin E, which will improve the sperm quality, and also rich in zinc as well, which has an influence on your testosterone levels. So make sure that you implement more of this power food into your diet. Number 4, chili peppers. One small study found out that men who preferred eating spicier food had overall higher testosterone levels than those who don't. And besides that, eating chili peppers on a regular basis may also help you to improve blood flow as well. And therefore can also increase the size of your little friend down below. So if you want to boost your manhood size, eat more spicier foods. Let's continue with number 5, carrots. It is scientifically proven if you eat more carrots, you can prevent infertility and also increase the sperm quality and mobility as well. So if you want to do something good for your manhood, definitely eat more carrots. Let's continue with number 6, oats. Oats contain the amino acid L-arginine. And L-arginine may help you to increase blood flow and also has a positive impact on your testosterone levels as well. I personally tried out the L-arginine supplement for hair growth for a couple of months, and I can definitely confirm that it also has a positive impact on your manhood as well. And last but not least, number 7, tomatoes. Tomatoes are very rich in a lot of nutrients and antioxidants, which also offers several benefits for male sexual health, fertility and also prostate health as well. And mostly it goes down to lycopene, which is an ingredient of tomatoes and a red pigmented antioxidant. And this antioxidant has not only incredible benefits for your health, but also for your manhood as well. And that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.